Today on the Lazy Geckos.
Are you servicing it?
Yeah.
Do you think that had something to do with what you did earlier?
We're on the hook and things are going badly.
That didn't happen before, so that's good. It's gonna prime itself and then it should kick up running.
The captain is chasing issue after issue. Boat life, baby.
This is what I think Daddy might need. It's Tuesday, we're not supposed to drink.
And we'll try to manage the best we can.
Did you put yourself one?
Yes.
Well, I mean, it is Tuesday.
Yeah.
Ready? Let's do it.
Day 2, Bryn, of waiting for a weather window.
We've been on the dock for 7 days. No, I'm sorry, we're not on the dock. We've been on the boat for 7 days, traveling. We've gotten off one time for an hour and then we just tried to get off the boat in between weather and it was bad, so we turned around basically and came back to the boat. I'm going crazy. Turned on the generator and it's smoking. Jeremiah was just outside checking it.
Well,
Is it bad?
I don't know. It's steaming a lot. You know, it's raining, so you know it's like a cold rain, but it's running a little hot. I don't know why. I can check the impeller. You see the steam out there, but it's running at 208.
Oh yeah, I can see the steam out the window.
Yeah.
Is that normal?
Well, no, that's steam.
Oh my gosh.
It has fluid. It's getting hot. Yeah, it's got water going in. Yes.
Bryn,
Over it.
why'd you do that? Oh no! Was she saying oh no?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no! What happened? What happened?
Can you say oh no?
What do you think it is?
Well, I'm gonna look at the impeller, but maybe the impeller. I haven't changed it. So this generator has a pickup at the bottom, so a water pump all the way at the bottom that pushes water up. Where's that noise coming from?
Maybe the ground? Is it the high water alarm?
Oh no, no, it's the water maker.
Oh gosh.
Great. Wait, did that go off? Where's my phone?
I didn't hear anything go off.
No. Okay, now the water maker's having issues.
Oh my gosh. What's wrong with the water maker?
I don't know, it says service pre-filter. I don't know.
So do you want to drink now or later?
Yeah, I'll drink later.
At least you have a pretty view
Yeah.
and it's not raining on you.
Yeah, it was. Well, it's not.
Obviously things are getting to him. We're all having a difficult time. Oh my gosh. I keep saying we're just adjusting, but we are having a hard time. Being on a boat as a family is difficult because not only do you have all the boat stuff that goes wrong and all the elements that you're dealing with and planning for and planning ahead for and making sure all your bases are covered, you have 2 tiny humans that you're like having to worry about, not wanting to put them in a bad situation, and they're also adding to it because they need things, right? Like they need to eat and drink water. A little whiny at times the baby is, so it can make it a little stressful. Reese does great, but Bryn, she does great, but she's definitely a little bit more whiny. I think she's kind of like, oh my gosh. So being out at anchor and not able to get off the boat makes it difficult for her. When we get off the boat, it's much easier when she has like space to run. But at least it stopped raining.
Are you servicing it?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Do you think that had something to do with what you did earlier?
No, I think that the filters are just like plugged up.
Oh, okay, it's just time, like a routine thing.
Yeah, I mean, they were pretty nasty, and I had run these in the marina and stuff, trying to test the system. They're pretty nasty.
Oh yeah, let me see that filter. Why? Why is it so bad?
Well, it's filtering out the water before it, you know.
Oh yeah, that's true. Ooh. I'm glad we're not drinking that.
Well, we're drinking what comes out after.
I know, it's kind of scary. I shouldn't have looked at that. was my water catastrophe that spilled. It'll be better by tomorrow. Let's see, I put the baby down. Oh, are you gonna peek over at me? Oh, well, hello. Hi, Smiles. Hello. Hi. This is what I think Daddy might need. Yeah. It's Tuesday, we're not supposed to drink. Oh no. See what happens when the boat's rocking and rolling? I love you too, Bryn.
There goes fresh water, and that didn't happen before, so that's good. Then I'll run it. And it should get all the bubbles out of the system. It's gonna prime itself, and then it should kick up running. So you can see the water here priming. There it goes. It's pushing all the air out. Pretty good over here, but it's still coming through, but it will clear out. We had a lot of air in there. Today I talked to JT because during the freshwater pump, which the freshwater washdown, which this is a charcoal filter. This is freshwater, it comes through the charcoal filter and comes through this back line, and then it comes into the unit here, and freshwater flush is the membrane over there. I wasn't getting a freshwater flush. The unit wasn't accepting it at the end of the cycle. And what it was is this little sensor in here, this little coil pack in here was not engaging. So I basically just removed the coil pack and removed the little plunger that makes that happen. Putting this thing back together now, I talked to JT Holden down in Hollywood, Florida, and told him that we weren't getting a fresh water flush. I didn't feel like any water was going through the system because I don't hear the fresh water pump going off. And he wanted me to open this up and check the coil that's supposed to open up for the fresh water flush, and he thinks it had failed. So I went ahead and removed the inside of the coil and then took out the plunger. This is the plunger that was in there. He said these coil packs are weak. This type of coil pack is weak, and that's causing the issue. So we went ahead and did that, and now it is flushing and the water's going through. The water pump's pumping water and it's going on through, which is great because we haven't been able to get a good flush on this unit since we left. And then to fix it, I'll just end up getting a new little coil pack piece and it'll be good to go. And now I have to manually flush it by just opening this valve. So I'll close this valve now because it's got water, otherwise it's accepting water from inside the boat. So when I run it now, I need to keep this closed, and then when I do the freshwater flush, I just open that valve. We don't have good water yet. That's where we're at. We're making 11 gallons of bad water. And then there's salinity there. Then we should see that start to drop.
All right, it's Tuesday. We don't have drinks during the week, but I think tonight calls for it. We've had a pretty stressful day. So we drink.
Yeah, thanks. Did you put yourself one?
Yes. Wait, why aren't you, what?
Did you already have some?
No.
Well, I'll wait for you. All right, I'll do it. Well, I mean, it is Tuesday.
Yeah. That's not good.
We had these in the marina. I had to run it a couple times in there. It's a pretty clean marina, but still, it just sacrifices these. We just left, and you can see how nasty they were, so now we have some fresh ones in there.
That didn't take very long.
Well, these were pretty dirty before we even left.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Good to know. How's your shower, Reese?
Is it hot or cold?
Freezing.
Let it warm up, silly.
Tell them to turn it all the way up.
Okay, turn it all the way up, let it get hot, and then put it where you want it. I didn't think you'd take a cold shower.
It's freezing.
I was saying just don't burn yourself with it all the way up.
What?
Don't burn yourself with it all the way up.
How long's it been on?
30 minutes?
I wouldn't be surprised if it wasn't working anymore.
This is like the night of catastrophe.
Reese, just wait like 10 minutes.
What?
Grab yourself a towel.
I can't reach the towels.
Just stand there.
It says it's on.
So maybe it just hasn't been on long enough.
It's been on for a while.
You turned it on, remember?
Yeah, I don't know when that was. I mean, all over the place. We'll give it a couple minutes and then we'll see. I mean, I can take it on maybe the circuit breaker, but when the circuit breaker popped on it before, was the light coming on over here?
I don't know.
Let me put this away and I'll go to that.
How was your shower?
Fine.
The generator's smoking. The water maker was fixed and then need filters changed, and then this would be the third thing. And how does it happen in threes, right?
Yeah. The generator smoking?
Yeah, where have you been?
Playing video games?
Oh my gosh.
There's a little circuit breaker. I can't remember if I can get to it.
Honey, it probably just hasn't been on long enough.
You think? I mean,
Yeah.
it worked great yesterday. The light's coming on.
Yeah, we'll just let it warm up for 10 more minutes.
I can't believe the generator's smoking. What's happening out there?
I don't know, but you need to start fixing stuff, Reese.
Yeah, no, that's Dad's job.
Well, you're gonna be a dad one day.
No.
No. I beg to argue with that. Kid loves his little sister.
I think I had a cold shower last night too.
I had a blazing hot shower.
Last night?
No, I had a cold shower, actually.
Yeah. I think maybe it got too hot with all that engine operating, but it got hot with the engine because, you know, the thing's not running that.
Oh, so you think the circuit breaker broke?
No, not broke, popped.
Popped, I mean, you know.
There's a little button on it.
So used to everything breaking.
Well, I had a cold shower last night as well, and I figured it just wasn't on long enough, but I can't remember if I could. Man, I probably had to open that little thing. Yeah, I probably have to open this little cap. Just waiting for my heart attack. This is a, what's the name? Quick 20-gallon hot water heater. Has a little button inside here on the little thermostat. I've had that pop before, and I imagine that's what happened again. Do you think that?
Oh, you got it.
Oh, they wouldn't even screw in there. That would be a good spot to just be able to push that right there. But let me see. So there's a little button on there. Where is that button? I have another one. I'll get it. Let's see what the button is. Oh, it's right here. See that little white button in there?
Oh, yeah, next to the red thing.
So, on top. You can't see that from up here.
Things have not been going well. We've been off the dock for a week, mostly traveling, but now that we're sitting still, things are starting to break. Jeremiah always jumps right into the problem and usually figures it out.
But I don't feel like it's getting warm.
But this thing?
Yeah.
No, that's not warm at all.
It's not working. I don't know, Brittany.
This tank should be warm.
I will try to
now,
replace
but-
the thermostat on
Was that an issue before?
it. Yeah.
We've had a lot of issues.
So there's the little circuit breaker that can pop. Temperature setting, and then these are two little screws that you put the wires in and stuff, you know. So I have the new one in. I'll just wire it up, but hopefully it works.
Yeah.
Spare parts are a must when cruising. Jeremiah removed and replaced the old unit with a new one. Let's hope it fixes the issue.
Did it come on?
Yep.
Yeah. See that?
Yeah.
So that was it. So hot water heater.
Yeah.
Amps before nothing would happen. The light would come on though.
Oh.
Yeah. So now it's pulling amps and it's going to be heating up.
I feel like we just replaced that thermometer.
I did replace that. Buy new parts. You got to buy new parts.
Yeah, I guess you add that to your parts list.
I had it.
I know, but now we're gonna need another one.
I have one on the other side that we don't use just in case.
Oh, okay, well that's good. You're so smart.
And,
No wonder our children are so smart.
It's amazing. I surprise myself sometimes.
Okay.
Just the
Now
fact
you're
that I'm
getting
out here in a
cocky.
boat spending all my money on this proves how stupid I really am.
Yeah, no kidding. Well, that was a win. That was
Well,
really
let's wait
good.
until we get the warm water and say that.
Okay.
But we'll see.
Yeah.
The generator is still overheating.
Yeah, it's going up.
What's that, 212?
It is, yes.
I'm going to replace the impeller tomorrow.
Maybe that'll fix it. And the water maker is working now, right?
Should be. What's it look like?
It is running. It's on auto run. Says good. Guess what?
What?
You get to shower again.
No!
Daddy got it working. So about 20-30 minutes.
Yay!
So a little, I don't know, stressed, antsy, overwhelmed. But, you know,
We have about 3 bottles of wine left from our 2 cases. So
What?
Oh, I'm just joking. We probably have 20 left.
I'm gonna freak out now. Forget water and warm water.
We can make wine, I'm sure.
No, I'm not Jesus, honey. I can fix the boat, but I'm not Jesus. Yeah, so.
It's been rough.
Yeah, so when do you want to put the boat on the hard?
I don't.
Well, I'm gonna have to figure this generator out. I mean, I think if the impeller fixes that, we'll be okay. But I do have, I have some spare impellers. This is a Cummins Onan that Juan, which is Captain John, got. And then this is another one for it. And then this is the bed. It looks brand new. I just bought that thing from them. But I'm gonna try. I'll try to swap that impeller out tomorrow, and if it fixes that, then we'll be good to go. I think the water maker's good.
Yeah. So it's been a rough day and a rough week, but you kind of are able to easily fix stuff. So that's a plus right now, right? Knock on wood.
Yeah.
I don't want to put the boat in the hard because I spent $2,000 in groceries and.
Well, let's just get fat, eat it all, get drunk, get fat, and
I'm
then
trying to lose weight. The wine's not going to help.
go back to the dock.
No, we're not going back to the dock.
Coming up, we're still waiting on a weather window, which gives us a lot of extra time to worry about random stuff.
What are you doing?
Looking at the amps you're using.
Jeremiah will obsess about power usage.
I feel the
You're using way too many amps over there.
You tore me up.
I'll try to keep things positive while staying busy.
Run my cloth over all the wood.
And we'll have a little maintenance class.
You know what's happening there?
Somebody's operating it.
Yeah, Dave is on it by remote through our Starlink.
We're gonna go say hi to Jeremiah in the generator compartment. I hear him working up there. See if we can't make him happy again.
Have you ever even been in here?
How about we just hide in here all day from all the kids?
Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.